Hello foodie world, welcome back. Thank you for all your feedback on our Ramadan series, and to you all that have been sharing our content. Thanks to you, we have more than 50 new subscribers this week. To our new family members, welcome to our foodie world, where we bring you the simplest homemade recipes. If today is your first time coming across this channel, please don't make it your last. Hit that subscribe button now. Today we are making HAUSA KOKO papibi, Ameria style. If you feel this video is going to be helpful to you, stay tuned and let's get right into it. We are using 2 cups of millet for this recipe, and then we washed and soaked it overnight. Our ingredients for today are 2 cups of millet, washed nicely and then soaked overnight, a handful of ginger, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of cloves. The advantage of homemade meals is you can adjust your spice however you want it. And as usual, all ingredients used in this recipe will be in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. So we are going to be blending all our ingredients together. Added about 2 cups of water to make the blending easy. After blending, we are going to be straining our mixture. One thing about HAUSA KOKO is the water is very important, so you can add as much water as possible. Also, the water helps to make the straining easy. Whilst we are straining, have you tried any of our recipes so far? How did it go? Comment down below and let us know. Also, with our Ramadan series, what have you learned so far? For me personally, I have learned that our northern brothers and sisters really eat organic stuff, and also they are not too scared to try out spices. From our spicy rice drink to our tamarind drink, and then to the pinkaso recipe, and today the HAUSA KOKO recipe, we can see most of the stuff they use, or most of the ingredients they use in making their food is very organic and very aromatic because of the spices they use. And the techniques for the tamarind drink, the spice rice drink, and then HAUSA KOKO are almost the same. So you just learn one, and then you know what ingredients, the different ingredients for each one of them, and it will be very easy to make. Also, upcoming next will be spiced millet drink called zonkom, which is the same technique as the HAUSA KOKO with a twist and just a slight difference in the ingredients. If you are enjoying our Ramadan series, comment down below and let us know. If there's any recipe you would want to see on our channel, also comment down below and we'll try our best to bring it to you guys. Yes, we love you like that. Okay, enough of the gist. Let's go back to cooking. So you keep adding water to mixture till we've drained enough juice from the blended mixture. For you to know that you've got enough juice, the residue would become grayish. So initially when you blend, it's cream in color, but then when you keep adding water and you keep straining, the residue becomes grayish. So you set the residue aside, and then this is what we got from the first straining. We need our porridge as smooth as possible, so we are going to be straining for the second time with a cheesecloth. So we are straining for the second time. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever we post. Like this video and leave us a comment. So this is what we got after straining it for the second time with the cheesecloth. Now we are going to be covering it for 24 hours. See you tomorrow, guys.
24
it's been
hours
24
later.
hours and the water has separated from the dough, and as you can see, fermentation has taken place. So just be clearing the top, and then we would separate the water from the dough. So now we've separated the water from the dough. So we left a little water on top of the dough to be able to help us mix our porridge, and also we scooped 1 ladle full of the dough, and then also added about 1 ladle full of the water that was left on top of the dough. We poured it on top, and then into our mixing bowl we mix it up. While at this, we are boiling the water that we strained from the dough. When the water boils, we'll continue our cocoa. So now that the water has boiled, we fetch some of the boiling water and then pour onto the dough that we mixed earlier. The amount of water depends on the consistency that you want. I usually like my cocoa a bit light, so I'll be adding a bit more water and then be stirring. Keep stirring it so it doesn't form lumps. My cocoa was thick, so I added more of the hot water, and then I kept stirring until I got the consistency that I needed. And now I covered it for about 10 minutes and then served. Mind you, the only thing that went on fire is the water that we separated from the dough. Hausa Koko is not done on fire. We served our porridge with some sugar, peanuts, and pinka. So if you've made it this far and you've still not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. It's totally free, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever we post. Share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe. Don't forget to like and then leave a comment if you like this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and until we meet again, stay safe and peace out.